As me, Jaden. Here I'm with the one and only Lego Police Helicopter. It's from Lego City. Recommend ages 5 to 12. Number 7740. Police Helicopter, 94 pieces. Here's the side of the box. It says about what the minifigure actually size is. Let's measure it. Yep, looks like they're right. Here we have the back. Looks like it can spin with opening doors. Looks like I already opened it. You press this and it would come open. Now time for the set. Here's the set. It comes with one minifigure. We'll go over it. This minifigure is the Lego Police Pilot. His sliding stuff and a badge, police badge. Next, the helicopter. This is how you put it in. You take this piece off. It's not a whole piece. It's just two pieces. You place this in, and then you place that over it. And now it can fly. It has this sliding view, and it also has this sliding. It has this light here. And now for the doors. Here's one of the door, like it said on the box, and the second door. Hope you like this set review. Hope you subscribe. Bye.